dramatic drop in the second quarter foreign sales figures reflects not only the negative effect of the strengthening dollar, but a definite upsurge in competitive production on both the European and Asian markets. When you add this to the recent surcharge imposed by the EEC nations, it seems clear that to preserve the kind of profit margin our shareholders have come to expect, we most definitely have to make substantial cuts to our per unit production costs. While it is true that to some extent our rising costs will be defrayed by the recent acquisition of Coleman Shipping, we should be very clear on the fact that the amount saved covers less than 40% of the ground.
I got it.
All those opposed? If Miss Graves will respond? Miss Graves?
Yes. No.
You are abstaining from the final vote?
Yes. No, I am not.
I see.